Hey guys, here's for your attention a handmade cell for an adult quails. This cell is very comfortable if you need to move the quails somewhere, and also if you don't have a lot of space in your house for keeping the quails, you can just put the cells one on each other and they can just like go up to the ceiling. In this cell you have the box for the food and a special drinker, and also it has a removable pallet, which is, well, you know, for the shit. The drinker and the food box is made from just classic plastic pipes, which are used for the water and so on. So the frame of the cell is made from the wooden boards. The ceiling and the side walls are made from the net with bigger cells, and the bottom wall or the floor is made with a net with the small cells. In this cell the floor has an angle, which you definitely need. So it's not straight, it's not parallel to the ground, it has an angle, so the eggs can go down, and here is the place you collect the eggs. On the up wall here is the little door, so it will be comfortable to take out or put in the quails. The average cost of all materials which were used for making this cell is approximately 10 years. 8-10 years. Thank you for watching. Please sign up for our channel not to miss the latest videos, and don't forget to press likes.